What in the world is this? This is a Dell Optiplex 755 that I found on the side of the road. And I am actually going to upgrade it. I know that's crazy. This drive is a certifiable piece of crap. Yeah, in other words, it don't work. So I'll probably be replacing that with an SSD. And I just yanked these two guys out of here, a whopping 2 gigs, 1 gig each of DDR2, and I replaced it with, I haven't plugged this one in all the way yet, this thing, another relic that I had in storage. Man, that was back in the day. Anyway, we'll see what happens. And that's it. And hopefully it'll be up and running in the next clip. Bye. Well, it appears as though I've managed to upgrade this from 2 gigs to 4 gigs. I suppose I should be happy with that. I thought these were 4 gig strips, but I might have been mistaken. But I'm actually happy I was able to upgrade it at all. So, yeah, it's running. And I'm going to do some tweaking. This might end up being a long video overall. So hopefully in the next clip I'll have an operating system running. It's kind of hard to do this because if you haven't guessed already, I am shooting this with my cell phone. I don't have proper video equipment, but anywho, we will make do. So see you in the next clip. All right, let the fun begin. Wasn't too expensive, and we shall see. And of course, I bought a new flash drive because I will be installing a new OS on this thing. In fact, yeah, it currently doesn't have one because this thing is completely dead. Yep, and in the middle, yeah. With the magic of video editing, you will see this drive fully assembled. Really, Corsair? Really? Why do you guys have to make it so hard? Looking good so far. New drive installed. Ready to install the operating system. Etcher is one of my favorite tools for burning images onto USB flash drives. So, download your image, you select it, well, it says remove here, but you don't, let's try something, I'm going to go ahead and hit remove. Okay, so, that gives me the opportunity, flash from file, so I go into here, okay, well, don't see anything right, so, back up, go to home, Sasquatch, okay, we got a bunch of crap in here, right, some of the stuff I'll probably talk about later, but I'm just going to go ahead and mess with OPNsense. Alright, double click that, bam, now it's on there. This thing, same thing, so I could change it if I wanted to. There's nothing else to do, but this is a USB flash drive that I bought, so go ahead and select that and then click flash. Password. Oh, yeah. You don't get to know what that is. And it's going. And should work. Hopefully it will. So how about those Giants? Yeah, just kidding, I really don't care about sports. Anyway, so you can see that it's flashing and it's moving pretty quick. USB 3.0 flash drive, so anyway, yeah, when this is done, and it should be done pretty soon, 30 seconds, yeah, it's just cooking, it's cooking. Oh, I won't bore you for another 20 seconds. In the next clip, maybe I'll have something. Okay, so slight change in plan. I was having a lot of trouble dealing with OPNsense, so I decided to install OPNsense. And that is up and running, so I will be learning how to utilize OPNsense, and maybe I'll be able to make some use out of this antiquated device. I see my focus is horrible. Yeah, I definitely need to get something better to record with. Anyway. Yeah. And that is all for now. I may upload this as is, or I may add to it. I don't know. Yeah, that focus is horrible. Anyway, see you later.